I'm making pomelo candy. 3 ingredients: sugar, citric acid, pomelo. Clean your pomelo. Wipe it down. Wipe it down. I'm working on having a no waste life, especially since it's my 24th year starting the day. Oh, I cut too much damn meat off. Oh yes, if you can smell it. I want to start doing low cost, efficient things. I'm also allergic to everything. It'd be good of me to not have stuff with artificial flavors and colors. What I'm doing is kind of scoring it. So what you want to do is dice the skin. Here we go. We're gonna blanch these like 5 times over. You feel me? You're gonna get yourself 1/4 cup of sugar. That's way more than 1/4 cup, but you get to buy it. Get yourself about a tablespoon or 2 of citric acid. Mix that whole up. So when I say blanch, I mean you're gonna boil it for about 3 minutes, and then you're gonna take the water off. Then you're gonna do it again. Then you're gonna take the water off. Then you're gonna do it again. Cute. Why are you doing that? Well, do you want bitter ass motherfucking candy? I don't think so. So stop. Wait a minute. What we're gonna do now is press out all the water. Boil it again. So you need about this much sugar, about 2 cups, right? Drop that sugar in there, right? Add your water. Okay, got me like 8 pieces in there. Enjoy.